Let's learn English alphabets. A for apple. A for aeroplane. B for ball. B for bus. C for cat. C for car. D for dog. D for duck. E for elephant. E for eagle. F for fish. F for frog. G for girl. G for goat. H for house. H for horse. I for insect. I for ink pot. J for jog. J for joker. K for king. K for kite. L for lion. L for lamp. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nest. N for nurse. O for orange. O for owl. P for pencil. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quill. R for rat. R for rose. S for shoes. S for stars. T for tiger. T for telephone. U for umbrella. U for umpire. V for violin. V for van. W for watch. W for well. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z. Z for jeep.